Okay, so next steps here, we had to get the climate control off to be able to get to the bottom screws of the stock head unit. So we had taken 2 screws off the bottom here. After those are gone, this simply was able to pop right out, turn it back, and we had 2 harnesses, one here where you flip this gray switch over, or clip here, pulled right out. This guy, you push this clip on the side here, which was right here, pull that out. This guy is now free. Then we found 2 screws here. We took both of these out, which are both Torx. After that's done, we actually do need to get to the screws that are on the top left and right here, and to do that we have to take this piece off. To do that, you're going to pull out your drink holder here. Actually, it gives you a nice little spot here to try to wedge this spot out from the right, and then using maybe a plastic wedge tool, you want to work your way through here, through here, through here, and then this side will come out, and then this will pop off just like so, and then you just have your guide there, pops right out, and then we have this one clip right here. Once we get this out, we will be able to take this screw and this screw, both Torx heads, and then I believe this head unit will most likely be free.